Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to download Zoosk dating app. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your desired browser. Then tap on the search bar and search Zoosk dating app in PC. Then tap on enter. There you can see the first link of CNET Zoosk for Windows 10. Tap on it. There you can see the option of visit site. Tap on it. Then you come across another tab. They will take you to Microsoft Store. Tap on download. It might take some time according to your internet speed. Then your app installer will be downloaded. Then tap on the download on your top left corner. You can see it over there. Tap on it. It will directly lead you to the Microsoft Store after completing its download. Then tap on Microsoft Store. Here it will come, and there you will have the option of purchase, but you will not have purchased right there. It will directly download. Then your app will be downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.